Hello, I'm Neville Rodrigues, a personality development mentor, and I have an offering for you. Basically, the offering is for your children, but it is amazing as how this program affects the parents too. Today, we have got so many online courses available. The challenge we parents face is that how do you select these courses? How do you identify whether this course is for your child, this course is within your budget? If you invest so much, how are you going to even justify that investment? Whether it is 99 rupees, 599 rupees or 40,000 rupees or whatever the fee may be, how are you going to evaluate if the course content is suitable or engageable for your child? One of the biggest challenges we face, especially in these times, is how to keep a child engaged, keep them busy, keep them entertained, and keep them occupied. That's one. Second is, how do we make sure that they learn also, right? They have to learn something also. The third thing is the ability to look into the future and prepare our children for the careers of the future. What are the careers of the future? The biggest challenge is that parents of today do not really know what the careers of the future are. The careers of the future, to put it in the most simplified way, is any career that has got to do with creativity. Robots are going to take over, robotic systems are going to take over, autonomous systems are going to take over, automated systems are going to take over, right? So where does this leave us? We will need a lot of innovative thinking, lot of creative thinking, because the problems that are going to be put in front of us are going to be of a different dimension altogether. We are already seeing it. We are so preoccupied as parents, as communities, as societies in managing the day-to-day situations put forth by the pandemic that we are not realizing how it is going to affect the child's future. A child between the age of 8 to 14, let's say fast forward them to when they join the workforce, maybe they will start a business, they will be entrepreneurs, or they will join the workforce as employees. How old will they be? If you take a child of 8, that would be around 16 years, that is 2039, around there. If you take a child of 14, when they turn 24, that will be 10 more years, that will be 2031. Do you see that in the next 10 years to 16 years, how technology is going to speed up? We have seen it in our own short duration of a decade itself, how mobile phones have transformed, how things have come to the point today where AI, ML are just things thrown around normally. Everybody is developing an app. I mean, it's become so common. So where are the jobs? The real jobs are the ones which is going to be where the person is very creative and can come up with ideas. So that is one very serious aspect for me that concerned a lot. As a trainer for 19 years, we had the blessing and the good fortune of handling the entire demographic that India can offer. So the problem was that about future, about keeping them engaged. There was a third problem, and that problem I know because as a parent, I've interacted with a lot of parents, otherwise also in my child's school, in other schools, as a parent and as a trainer. So I have got two ways I can see these things. And what is that? And that is the finances. How are you going to prepare your child's future academics? Where are you going to send them? What kind of courses are you going to take? How are you going to prepare their future? What kind of things are we going to do? We all know rote education is not the way. Rote education makes us into machines. We only do repetitive work, that is for processes. And like I said, processes are for robots. We make robots, but we do not want to become robots. And that is where the course Creativity Mentoring for ages 8 to 14 comes. Why 8 to 14? Because that's the sweet spot. That is where a child's cognitive development has really kicked in. That by the time they turn 14 to 16, it's reached a point where they are really well on their way to achieve their maximum creative capacity. It's not going to, mature at 14 or 16. It will take some more years. But the journey has already started, and they will have the momentum which will carry on and go into their professional careers. Creativity mentoring is something that is very crucially required, especially today. And how do you give creativity mentoring? You see, the biggest challenge we face is, like I said, in keeping our children engaged and teaching them for the future and having your fees under control. So creativity mentoring is to teach the child not art and craft. Art and craft is a part of creativity. See, creativity is the entire thing. Art and craft is a part of it. Creativity is about precision. Creativity is about knowing what is there in the market and coming up with better solution. Creativity is about coming up with new ideas to do things in a much better way. Mentoring has been very badly represented as trainers or facilitators or things like that. Mentoring is much deeper than that. Mentoring is something where the mentor has to take a mentee under his or her wing and guide that person or student or child or youth towards a particular direction. Mentoring is about recognizing the child's or the student's background, their ecosystem, their financial background, their socio-economic background. So many things have to be understood. So combining these two, we set our children in a path where they can, achieve their maximum creativity level by the time they reach 22, 23, 24, when they are ready to get into the workforce, ready to start their own business, ready to start their own family, you name it, right? The journey of developing the creativity may take many years, but we have to give it a good foundation. We have to give it a good launch pad. And that is what this course is all about. Creativity mentoring for children between the ages of 8 to 14 is a 3-month course. And it is priced at 3,000 rupees only. Are there other costs? Yes, there are a few other costs, and I have mentioned that in my website. I have mentioned that on my landing page. Give me a call. I will give you the entire details in a matter of 10 minutes. You can make a decision for yourself whether you need to take this course or not. Why would you take this course? There is one very important reason. If whatever I have explained to you so far, you have not really got it, no problem. But here's the reason why you would want to take a course like this. My course is not competing with any other course. It is in fact a start to every other course. If you want to take any other course, you would do this, my course, and you would find that you are in a better position. Yes, as a parent and as a child too. Whenever you're going to take a course, you should consult with your child. So this course gives you a starting point to evaluate other courses. This course gives you a foundation to do other courses. The other courses could be anything. They could be DIY courses on the internet. There are so many, thousands and thousands of YouTube videos available to do so many kinds of projects, right? How do you do those projects? They will say you buy this. From where are you going to get them? How are you going to find it? What is the search word you're going to put in Google? Which shop are you going to buy it from? Are they available and second hand? Is it possible to create it by yourself? And so many other things, right? The methodology I use in this particular creativity mentoring program is through activities. And it's only through activities can you actually develop a person's creativity, because the hand-eye coordination is what develops. What you have in your mind, if you can express it, the only way you can express it usually is by making something or creating something. How do you create? You write or you make some things, right? You make a sculpture, you make a project, you make a robot, you make something. It's always you've been done with your hands and your eyes. So that's why they say hand-eye coordination. Hand-eye coordination takes practice, takes time, and hence the creativity mentoring should start at a very younger age, between the ages of 8 to 14, because once they are launched through that, then by themselves, without troubling you, without constantly telling, mommy give me this, daddy come sit here, nothing, they will do it by themselves. How to find on the internet, how to safely find on the internet. So this course gives you a foundation to make sure your child is safe on the net. Creativity mentoring program. It's a launch pad for your children. It's a launch pad for their future. It's a launch pad to keep them engaged now. They can just go around the house, find things that, you're going to throw in the garbage. They will say, no, don't throw that. I could recycle it, I could repurpose it, I could reuse it and make maybe toys or projects and things, which is perfectly fantastic. You don't even have to pay for it and they can destroy it. No worries. What do we see nowadays? We go to a toy shop or we buy something from Amazon and you see in the corner of your house, you got a whole lot of things which are just lying waste. You thought you could use it, but when it comes to you, finally say, oops, what is this, right? There are so many robotic kits which are available, but when you finally get it to your doorstep, you open the package and then you see what happens. Oh, you don't know how to use it, isn't it? Have you noticed this problem in your house? Right? These are the challenges that I help solve in the Creativity Mentoring Program. So let me repeat again. Creativity Mentoring Program is not competing with any other programs. You have your complete independence to select every other program. But my advice is take this course. It's just a 3-month launch period. Just 3 months, and for the rest of your life you have peace. And I'm not kidding, I'm very serious about it. Please, if you feel that for some reason what I'm claiming or what I'm saying that I can do has got certain question marks, please call me. Give me an opportunity to explain. So if I have told you something that you feel is not right, please go ahead, send me a message, connect with me. All the information is available and given to you, right? And tell me what your concerns are. Tell me what are your main challenges, and I can assure you that I can offer you a solution. It's not important for you to take my course by itself. You can explore other things and you can compare what I'm saying. Please select your mentors in a proper way. The mentor should show passion, the mentor should show drive, mentor should show concern. The mentor should also show that they are practicing what they preach. So when I say that I have created this course, I really mean it. I really mean it because I have lived a creative life. My entire roadmap, my entire career, my entire choices that I've made in life have been about making things better, about giving better quality of life to people, right? So give your child an opportunity that you never had. Listen, you're a parent, I'm a parent. One advantage I have is that I have been in the space of training for 19 years as a structured trainer in the corporate world. But I have been conducting creativity mentoring programs right from my very early ages. I have a 30-year experience in teaching creativity. So whenever you select your mentor or whenever you evaluate a course, find out who the creator of the course is. Find out who the presenter of the course is. I understand the space of creativity. I understand the space of technology. And more so, being directly connected with children, training them for the past decade and more in different formats, right? This course embodies all those learnings, all those experiences into a very beautiful 3-month course which your child will enjoy. And one thing I want to mention is after 3 months, what will happen? Once the child is through this program, you will see the result by the end of 1 month itself. You will start seeing the result. I have piloted this program and I have been working on this program for nearly 5 to 6 years. All the time I was working for it to become online. But before I went online, I had done it live classes and I've been conducting classes in Mangalore, in Hyderabad and in Bangalore in small different modules. So now I've plugged all the modules together and stitched them into a very nice comprehensive course where a child will enjoy and learn STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts and maths, right? So when you have STEAM related subjects very naturally absorbed by your child, you won't have any issues in the future about career selection and subject selection or academics. No problem. Parents are very seriously concerned. Obviously, we are all concerned. We want the best for our children. The question is, what is best? That's the biggest problem, right? And that is what I'm giving you. I'm giving you a tool and a instrument to evaluate what is best. So dear parents, dear friends, thank you for patiently listening to me. And I hope that you can enroll your child in this course or suggest it to your friends and suggest it to someone. See, we may have not been able to achieve our ambitions, our goals or dreams. Let us give an opportunity for the kids to achieve their goals and dreams. So thank you once again and have a good day.